For Mashable, I'm Christian Bryant. Owners of Motorola's RAZR, its Maxx cousin, or HTC's Rezound, could be using Android's new ice cream sandwich as early as next week. This leaked photo was dropped to Android police. It's from Best Buy, and as you can see, Wednesday, April 4th, the RAZR twins are getting an Android 4.0 update. 2 days later, Android's rolling out the HTC Rezound update. The guys at Android police claim this isn't an April Fool's joke. If it's true, users won't be sad this long-awaited ice cream sandwich secret was spoiled. When Mashable first reviewed the HTC Rezound, Android 4.0 wasn't promised to the Slick Mobile and hasn't appeared since its introduction in November 2011. And the same goes for the RAZR Maxx, which shipped running gingerbread. Now these super phones could be looking a little more super. The sandwich comes with a general interface overhaul, face recognition unlocking, and a new custom Google-designed font named Roboto. This isn't a complete surprise. Motorola confirmed a number of its devices would be updated to Android 4.0 a month and a half ago. But like a lot of phone makers, didn't provide a date or timeline for when that would happen. Earlier in March, HTC followed suit, which means some folks might not be too happy with this news because their devices won't be getting a facelift. Yet, users of the phones like the Droid Bionic have been waiting for 5 months for ICS and will just have to stick it out an ice cream sandwich line with no real end in sight. For Mashable, I'm Christian Bryant.